Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to use hot oil treatment on your natural hair to promote hair growth and also fight against dandruff. Not only that, it also adds shine and moisture to your hair. I love this Jamaican black castor oil because it really helps the hair to grow very fast. And my virgin hair fertilizer also helps to promote hair growth and also fight against dandruff. So those who have issues on dandruff, you should try the virgin hair fertilizer. So with the help of my little spray bottle, I'll just go in with small amount of my virgin hair fertilizer and also a quantity of my Jamaican black castor oil. Depending on the thickness and the length of your hair, you can choose the quantity of the oil that you're going to use. My hair is not all that long and all that thick, so that's why I'm using this my little spray bottle so that I won't waste any oil at the end. So let me know in the comment section below if you have tried this Jamaican black castor oil and how it helped your hair to grow or how it helped your hair growth journey. So I'll just go in with small amount of my Jamaican black castor oil because my hair is not all that thick. Alright, I'll stir it, and that is my hot water, so I'll just put it in the hot water and let it sit till it melts before I can use it. Yes, so I'm going to spray in some amount of water in my hair first before I go in with my oil. Alright, so to those who have the kinky hair that they are not able to comb, I'll advise you to get a spray bottle. Fill the spray bottle with oil and water and moisturize, spraying your hair with it every single day, and you will love your hair at the end. So what I'm going to do is divide my hair into 4 sections to make it very easier for me to work on. So once I'm done dividing my hair into 4 sections, I'm going to take the front section and take small part of it and work on that. Wow, I'm going very fast. That fast. Okay, so still going with your water. I really love using water in my hair because it really leaves my hair very soft and very moisturized and very whatever. So I'll spray in my oil into my hair and massage it so well into the scalp because that is where we need the oil the most. Alright guys, so your girl really need a trim. See the end of my hair, it looks so split and damaged. Oh gosh. Alright, okay, so tomorrow I'm going to get a trim. Stay tuned and subscribe down below because I'll trim my hair tomorrow. You trim our hair together tomorrow. Now when I'm done moisturizing my hair with the oil and the water, I'm going to divide my hair into 2. I'm going to twist it, and before you twist your hair, please, you don't have to borrow any hair from any of the 2 strands whilst you are braiding. Please, that is a no, because at the end when you are done washing your hair, you see that your hair is so damaged because you would have to go and take back the borrowed hair, and that is going to cause damage to your hair. It's going to cause breakage to your hair. Now let's twist the rest of the hair so quickly, and after that we move to the next step. Wow, natural hair, frizzy hair is popping curls. Like my hair isn't that soft, but see the treatment. So girl, like, just have time for your hair, okay? It doesn't matter how hard your hair is, it doesn't matter how you're not able to comb your hair. The right thing is just to moisturize your hair every day, and trust me, your hair will come back to life. It's too dry, that is why you find it very difficult to comb and all that. So all you gotta do is just moisturize your hair
every day.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we got you. Hey, what music are you dancing to? Can you tell us? Okay, never mind. All right, so this is the end. Not the end yet, but this is how my hair looks like after applying the hot oil to my hair. Oh my gosh, I really love how soft my hair looks right now. And my hair feels so moisturized. So guys, yeah, that's what I got. See the back view and see the front view. Now I went in with my oil again, so I'm going to massage it so well into the scalp. Yes, massage it so well into the scalp.
You want to make sure that the scalp is
Girl, if you haven't subscribed yet,
and
please
very
subscribe to this
moisturized.
channel and support your girl. I have a lot of things to give to you guys, so please support the channel by subscribing and hit that notification bell beside the subscription button, and you get every new upload that I make. It's all
So as I'm done,
homemade.
I'll just go ahead and put on my plastic cap and steam the hair for like 30 minutes before I go in to wash it with my favorite shampoo. So as at this point, I have 30 minutes to scare people in the house. So 30 minutes time, we're gonna wash it off. Thank you so much guys for watching this video to this point. I love you guys so much, especially my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are we waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and support the channel to grow, because there are a lot of hairstyles that I'm going to help you with, in terms of growing your hair, in terms of making your hair soft, in terms of retaining length, in terms of name it, like everything. So subscribe now and leave a comment about how you prepare your hair, or how you, the oils that you use for your hot oil treatment. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.